Very good morning. Before starting today's video, I just want to tell you that this video is only for educational purpose. There is no recommendation from my side at all. So try to focus on the analysis part before taking any trade. So let's start the video. So as far as of yesterday's trade that I have taken in Adani Ports, so as per the trade setup that was actually done by the market. So there was a very small amount of profit I have booked yesterday because there was a short covering came in the market, and because of that stock was the market was unable to move down, and our expected follow through action yesterday was the price will move in downward direction, but that was not happened. So if it was not happened, then there were no profit. So that is the part of yesterday. So let's discuss the today's first. So today for intraday trading, I have selected Tata Motors. So the reason for selection of Tata Motors is that uh, dominant pressure in this stock on daily frame, it's still buying because now the stock is available on an attractive price because it has touched 530 recently, and after touching 530 now it is below the 475 and yeah, below 500. So around uh, 15-20% correction has been already made. So you can clearly see a kind of head and shoulders pattern was getting formed over here. This is left shoulder head and this is right shoulder. So as soon as this neck was broken, this stock has become a very good intraday candidate for trading. So first reason for selecting this stock is that in 5 minute chart it is still in downtrend, and dominating pressure in this stock is selling. But from 26th you can clearly see from 26th November till yesterday this stock is trading in a range, and that range is from 4 470. Yes, from 470 till 460, majorly 460. Some for a very small amount of time it has gone below 460. So basically this stock was trading in range. So consolidation period is actually getting formed over there from 26th till yesterday. So I think around 1 2 3 three sessions this stock has traded in a range. So this is the second reason, and third reason is that market was in green in morning. So I have three confirmation along with me. First, dominating pressure, and at the end of that dominating pressure, I have got an head and shoulders kind of pattern. So that shows a trend reversal. So trend reversal along with the market green has given me clue that I should go for a long trade in this stock. And apart from all these signals or confirmations, I have one more confirmations which is very usual for me and I always look for it, and this is this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth time price has taken support of this level around 470. So this price level has become a very strong resistance zone when the price got below this. And again, now the price has come to retest this level first, second, yes, third time it has directly not tested, just crossed this level. So now the resistance zone should become an again support zone, but that is not happening as of now. So in analysis part, we can discuss that what is the follow through action of the Tata Motors today's price. So in the morning we have all the signals along with us, dominating pressure, and at the end of that dominating pressure, and that was selling. Yes. So trend reversal pattern was formed, and along with trend reversal market was seen in green, and again I was waiting for a buy call, and that buy call came. Where, see here, very first candle, a very long green candle that indicates the dominance of buyers in this stock. So after that, the stock price should actually consolidate over there for in the upper zone for long, for standard is 15-20 minutes, but still it has taken more than that, and a flag pattern was found that I have already drawn. You can clearly see how classical this pattern was found, and I have placed my limit order on the high of the very second candle. Why? Because this swing high was created, and after this swing high there was no any other attempt to cross that. So see here, this particular candle 935 candle has tried but unable to break the high of 920 candle. So stock was trying to break above, and on 1035 the candle has broken again. Also the volume was good for that also. Yes, but what happened up just actually after breaking the previous high, the stock has coming down. Why? This is the actually the matter of concern over here. So you can clearly see, as usually people say, or it is the fact of market that if you trade with the trend, you will be in the profit. Not all time. Sometimes you may fail, and that sometime is actually today, because I have traded in the major trend of market. When I placed the trade and it was executed, market was around 200, I think 150 plus, yes, plus point, but still I have booked my loss here. Yes, result is that I have booked my loss in Tata Motors today. So what went wrong with me today? So that we should analyze, and formally we should accept. So the wrong thing is that there are no serious buyers as of now in the market. Why? Because of the restarting of the maybe resumption of the lockdowns, and there are actually more actually conservative approach from the bigger investor. So everyone is at wait and watch. Everyone is in wait and watch mode. So there is no, you can say, uh, there are no buyers available at this level around 477 at this level, and because of that, in actually my as per my analysis and as per current market scenario, what is going on in market, I can say this: there is no buyers at that level. Because of that, the price was unable to take its uptrend in continuous. So we can say that every confirmation that I got is along with the market, but still I have booked loss. So this is the beauty of market, and we should accept it. More important thing is here is that we should stick to our basics, and we should stick to our plan. I have executed my plan, my basics, and the trade execution was also perfectly timed. But the main thing where we are actually trading the platform, that is the market is supreme. So here we can say that still market is in green. We can say that market has gone up by this amount of point, or this much point. But who the players who have a very close watch on the chart can clearly say that there are some kind of confusion in the market, and because of that everyone is in wait and watch policy mode. So in this time, I also recommend that trade with a more conservative mode, and take extra precautions